Most people think the only way to spend less is by cutting down on enjoyment. But that, my friends, is not true. You do not have to live like a monk to save money. In fact, if you plan well and do it the right way, you can save a lot of money and also ensure that you have a way better way of living. So in today's video, I'll share 7 secrets of mine which help me save money, cut down on my expenses dramatically, and also improve my lifestyle. Hi, I'm Nishant and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Save More Money, where we focus on money mindset, financial freedom, as well as ways in which you can improve your lifestyle. If you find the video useful, please remember to like, subscribe and share. Let's get started. Majority of us do the purchases emotionally instead of being logical and rational. We want to buy things because someone else has it. It looks cool on Instagram. We want to show off. It's brand new and we want to just purchase it and enjoy it. We are getting the product at a huge discount, or we are just having a bad day and want to pamper ourselves. But just think about it. Do these purchases give you fulfillment? Will they help improve your quality of life? Or are they just momentary pleasures which you want to have? If the answer is momentary pleasures, then I will suggest that do not indulge in these things very frequently. It's okay to indulge occasionally, to pamper yourself occasionally, but do not overdo it. But if the answer is that these purchases will help improve your quality of life, then yes, do ensure that you buy it. But if the answer is yes, it helps improve your life, then do go ahead and buy it without any hesitation. And try to keep it simple. Do not buy anything to show to others or to show yourself as being rich. Instead, buy things which help you enjoy and have a fulfilled life. The next thing you have to do is to fix your invisible leakages. Yes, every one of us has at least one leakage which takes away our money, and our job is to ensure that we fix this particular leakage. What sort of leakages? Well, it can be anything. It can be from subscription, where you do not even know what all subscriptions you have. It can be in the form of OTTs, it can be in the form of audio players like Spotify, Audibles, etc. Memberships in the form of Zomato, Swiggy, Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, Myntra, etc. Or anything else. You might have just put your credit card on auto detection and it keeps deducting and you do not know. Try to check your credit card, try to check your bank balances regularly, find out what all standing instructions you have given for auto detection and stop them if you are not using it. Similarly, gym memberships or any other memberships which you are not using it, stop them immediately. This way you will be able to save money and you will be able to spend less and have a better quality of life. Another form of leakage is in the form of emotional spending. Feeling bored, we'll buy something. Feeling sad, we'll buy something. Stressed out, we'll buy something. Try to avoid all these emotional purchases and I'm sure you will be able to save a lot of. The third leakage can be in the form of delivery addiction. So majority of us use online platforms to purchase things and we do not even note how much of leakages constitute in the form of platform fees, driver fees, convenience charges and many other things. So instead of buying multiple times small products, I'll suggest you accumulate your products in your basket and then try to buy at one go, where you will be able to avoid the delivery fees, the platform fees and other things. Similarly, instead of ordering very frequently, try to cut down on the orders. Instead of buying food from Zomato every week or every day, try to cook something at home and that will help you save money as well as help you live a better quality of life, because you're eating homemade food instead of junk food or the food outside which is prepared in unhygienic conditions or with not so good raw ingredients. The next secret you should know is to spend smart instead of spending more or spending less. Why I'm saying this is because many times you will see that the lowest price product is not the best product. Sometimes it's wiser that you buy a product which is a bit costly but which will give you a better lifetime returns. So for example, if you go to a mall and if you're wanting to buy a cloth, do not go and buy just the cheapest set of garments available. Try to invest in some good quality brand. Try to buy some good brand clothes which will last long, which you can wear multiple times and which will give you much value out of your daily use. Similarly, electronics, do not settle for cheapest brand available. Buy something which is well known, which is trustworthy or something like that. Same is the case with everything else. Do not always focus on the cheapest product, but try to go for the quality over quantity or quality over cost. That will help you in long run. Another thing which you should do is to pay yourself first in the form of savings. Whenever you get your monthly income, first take out your savings, non-negotiable, and then whatever is left, that should be your expenses which you want to spend for the entire month. So income minus savings is equal to expense should be your formula and the mantra. And if you follow this particular formula and even save 5 to 10% every month, in the long run with compound effect, it will give you a valuable sum of money in your coffers. The third important thing is to have a fun budget. So do not cut down on enjoyment. It's very important that you enjoy your life. You only live once, and being confused without having any experiences in life will not help anyone. So set out some part of money for the fun related enjoyment. You can spend it on movies or outing, travel, staycations, or anything else which makes you happy or which creates memories for you. Me personally, I like traveling, so I normally save some amount of money towards my travel goals, and I use that to stay in 5-star hotels, to travel to various countries and visit various places. So that's my fun money, and you can have your plan. Next thing you should do is to start spending on things which give you fulfillment and which helps improve your quality of life. So it's not necessary that everything will cost money. There are many things which do not cost money, but which, if done properly, will give you a massive sense of fulfillment, which will improve your quality of life. For example, if you have a hobby which you might have not pursued, start pursuing that particular thing. It will help improve your quality of life. It will give you fulfillment. Similarly, spend time with your loved ones, talk to your children, talk to your family members, talk to your spouses, take walk in nature, watch sunset, sunrise, read books, do cooking. All these things which you enjoy, which are small things which, if done properly, if done regularly, can give you happiness, can give you content in life. Another thing you should focus on is to track your expenses properly and closely. Watch out for all the things which you spend on. What you buy, why do you buy, how much do you spend on, where you spend, how much do you spend, and why do you spend. And basis this, try to cut down on the unnecessary spends which you have just ignored so far, and that will help in saving money for you as well as help in improving your quality of life. Another important thing which you should focus on is to work on yourself. Yes, remember that unless you are happy, you cannot make others happy. So always try to focus on creating something or doing something which will make you happy. It can be focusing on your health. If your health is good, you will be in a happy mood, you will be able to have good quality of life, and you will be able to take care of others as well. Focus on your relationship. If you have a good relationship, it will make your life much easier. It will make your life stress free, and you will have some good memories even in your old age. Similarly, focus on creating some purpose in life and then working towards achieving that particular purpose. That will give you a sense of accomplishment, and you will have some memories that yes, I have done this and I am known for this, and people will remember me for this particular thing. Similarly, try to have a balance and a peace which will last in your mind and in soul, and it will make you calm, kind, and composed. This alone will help you lead a better quality of life because you will not be distracted from all the worldly things and बाकी सब मोह माया लगेगी. So that's it guys. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with someone who is always broke by the end of the month. And just remember one funda: spend less, live peacefully, and live happily. This will help you in spending less and living a better quality of life. That's it from my side for today. Until next time, this is Nishan signing off. Bye, take care, ta-da.